Hey guys, how's life going on there? In this video, I'm going to show you what I'm doing out there when I'm not in the DR100W concept project. Shareware and courseware, technical reciprocity, meeting friends, students, professors in the university, building a community, meet with makers, DIYers, audio hobbyists, Arduino lovers,
Don't think about building something for the sake of the technology lang. Think of a problem that you wish to solve. The technology will come eventually. Sorry, babasagin ko yung ano niya, yung mindset niyo. Ideas are bullshit. It's the execution that does matter. If I don't have the passion, I don't have the fuel to build that specific platform, that's useless.
Sabi ko nga nung bata pa ako At nitong huli na lang. Dapat pala nagsimula ako mag-business ng bata pa ako.
When I say wearables, not this kind of things that can detect my heart or my blood pressures. They are wearables like this and they're integrating electronics on it.